Here's how to schedule Facebook post for Facebook page. So first of all, we need to switch the Facebook page. Once you are in your page, click this new post option, and now you can just make your post. You can upload photos or videos to make the post. Once you are happy, click on next. In this post settings, you have to click on scheduling options, and now select a date to schedule the post. So I'm selecting July 21. You can set here a time to scheduling the post. Once you're happy, just click on schedule for later. Just click on schedule. And this is how we can actually schedule a post in Facebook page. Thanks for watching.